What's up, you guys? It is I, Carlton Flowers, your crypto pro.
Yay!
And I am finally back with a report for the crazy Bitcoin action. And this is a great time to come back with a report because we have had some wild breakout activity happen since the last report. And the $100 question right now is, will Bitcoin continue to go up? Or is this a bear market rally, a bull trap, fake out type of situation, and maybe a point where we start to head back down? Well, we are going to look at the evidence on the 4-hour chart and at least be able to tell you what could possibly happen within the next few days. So let's see what we have on the chart here. First of all, you are going to notice that you've got a double top happening right here. There's top number 1 and top number 2, and it's a higher high. We also have a lower high. So here's your first lower high, or actually higher low, I'm sorry. We have a series. There's a low point, there's a higher low, and this is another higher low. So when you see the bottoms moving up and the tops moving up, that usually indicates that you are in a rally. Now, let's get rid of all of this clutter here, and then I'll show you something else that sticks out at me that is on the chart that might give us a hint of what's happening, and it's the clue is down here in the stochastic. So we notice right here that the fast line, the blue one, has crossed over the slow line, the orange one, and it looks like it could be a peak right here. Notice how we go up and then we go down, but sometimes we get a head fake and it stays up here. If this cycles down, you could expect price to fall back towards this blue line, which is the 200 EMA, the 200 exponential moving average line. Now, downstairs on the MACD, we see that the fast line is about to cross over the slow line here, which would be a bullish indicator. But these oscillators are slower than these. This is the front runner. So what could possibly happen, since this one says bullish and this one says dip coming, we could see a head fake just like we did right here, where the stochastic stays up here and then price dips a little to the middle of this volume node on the VPVR, and then it runs up again. Now, what else can happen? Well, this stochastic could go all the way downstairs to the oversold zone. And if that happens, we'll take a trip towards this blue line, this moving average line. And if we don't find support on this moving average line, we could come back down to test the dreaded red dashed line. And that is the line that we have to pay attention to, because it is the line of demarcation between support and a rally and ugly things, where we could go way, way, way down south into the bear territory, where we have predictions anywhere from 15,000 all the way down to 8,000, where people think that Bitcoin could bottom. At this point, I would have to say things look bullish. And so for right now, we'll probably bounce down and continue this trend upwards. How far could it go? Maybe 25,000, but we'll have to watch that in the next few days and look at the 1-day chart to see if the indicators are telling us whether or not this is a bear market rally, which means it's a small bump up on the way down on an overall trip down, or if the entire market has turned around and now it's a bull market going up. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens. That's all I got for this one. This is Carlton and I am out.